Hello and welcome to this demo showing the Clip integration platform. Clip integrates operations management tools and service management tools, and bidirectional synchronizes events, incidents, alerts, and tasks. Today I would like to show an example integration between the Zabbix monitoring tool and ServiceNow. Let's have a look at the Zabbix dashboard and see that a new problem shows up. A CPU alarm has been detected and now an automatic action is running. After completion, a message is added to the alarm by the Clip integration that informs us about the newly created ServiceNow incident and some additional information like its state, impact, urgency, and priority. Now let's look at the ServiceNow ticket to review the details. Zabbix has transferred the alarm to Clip, which has received the data for this problem, then normalized it and finally converted it to a ServiceNow incident by populating several fields of the ticket with values from this event. It has set the category and subcategory to OS and also the CI and business service. The impact and urgency have been set to medium according to a mapping scheme based on the problem severity. The short description displays the problem title and also the metric name. All these fields contain data from the Zabbix problem. Also a work node has been added. Now let's look at the workflow that originates from Zabbix. Let's say a Zabbix operator takes care about this problem and restarts a web server to resolve it and adds a message about it. The Zabbix operator can manipulate a problem in different ways. For example, add messages, change its severity, acknowledge or close the problem. These modifications could also be done by Clip in response to ServiceNow ticket updates, what we call backward synchronization. But now let's look at forward synchronization first and update the problem. On the ServiceNow side, another work node has been added informing the service desk agent that Mark from the operations team takes care about the problem and is restarting the web server to get rid of the CPU problem. Now we can see the problem is resolved by Mark's restart, so the message disappears from the Zabbix dashboard. Clip has also updated the ServiceNow by adding another work node and automatically resolved this incident. Clip added a resolution code and resolution nodes to the ticket because these are required fields to resolve the ticket. We have seen an example of an automatic ticket creation. Afterwards, the problem was resolved by the Zabbix operator Mark and Clip auto-resolved the ticket. Let's move to the next scenario. This time, another event shows up about the same CPU problem because Mark's web server restart did not permanently resolve it and CPU usage is high again. The second event about the same problem is also auto-forwarded to Clip, but this time Clip does not create a new incident. Instead, Clip has reopened the existing incident. The work node entry shows that the incident state has been reset from resolve to new again, and resolution nodes and code have been removed. Clip has added a node attachment number 1 displaying the new event along with its ID and the new value for the CPU usage. This time, ServiceNow is supposed to be the leading system. Mark is working as an operator on the Zabbix side and he will now add a message to the problem to transfer responsibility to the service desk team. Mark also increases the severity of the problem to a higher level. On the ServiceNow side, we now see that Clip increases impact, urgency and priority to 1 in response to the increased severity of the Zabbix problem, and Clip also adds a note about Mark's message. I'm now working as David from the service desk team and will take care of the problem and assign the incident to myself and move the incident into the stage in progress. Clip updates the Zabbix problem and acknowledges it to show that the problem is handled by the service desk team. A new message displays that David Liu is assigned and now in charge of dealing with this problem. He took the incident to the next state in progress. Let's assume that David is now doing some config changes and finally resolves the problem. He therefore moves the state to resolved and provides resolution code and some resolution information. A new message added to the Zabbix problem shows that the ticket is now resolved. This is an example for workflow with ServiceNow as the leading system, where the ticket is being resolved and the problem updated. Finally, if you have further questions or you would like to see a demo about an integration of interest or have a POC, please visit our website applink.de and write a short message by using the contact form. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.